It's been a while since I've talked about some of these mods on my Winnebago EKKO, and I've got some updates for you. You don't want to miss this. If you don't know me, my name is Charlie Grace from Charlie Grace Adventures, and I have a Winnebago EKKO Sprinter chassis 23B model that I have for over a year and a half, and it's been a blast. I've taken this all over the country. Right now I've got about 30,000 miles on it. So I've done a video before talking about some of my EKKO mods, but I'm going to give you a little update on some of the things I've done in addition to that one. So I'll leave a link up here and somewhere in the description. They'll talk about that initial video because you might want to look at those too. But now that I've been in this a while, I want to talk about some things that are making my life a little easier and it might help you as well. So let's begin right now. There are a lot of people that always say, start with the suspension, start with the suspension. I actually started with the electrical because I work in the rig a lot. But you know what, this year I got a suspension upgrade. Really glad I did. Thank you to All Outdoors in Denver. They took care of that for me. Made a little difference. Not gonna lie, it was actually pretty good, especially on driving all those highway miles. But something that made a huge difference was Performance Auto Diesel PAD Overland put on a sway bar. Not too long ago, I've been trying this out. I really, really like it. So that's a new thing that I thought I really didn't need, but actually I really do need it. I was out driving through middle Florida in some really high winds, and it made a huge, huge difference. So if you're going through high crosswind areas and things like that, you might want to take a look at this. It's called PAD Overland. Great company out Pacific Northwest out there. Really cool. Hopefully I'm going to go see them in person and check out their whole shop. But they did come down to Florida to the Winnebago EKKO Rally, and I really appreciate you guys doing that for me. So thanks. One of my favorite things I found this year is this RV step pad set. I love this. First of all, you take off the strip off the current steps, and then you add this to it. It's really good on your dog's paws. It's a marine grade, so if you're used to boating, this is exactly what you'd have on them. I love this thing. And you can customize it. And I had adventure weights put on mine, which is really cool. I love supporting small business, and Grip Turf is in Florida. They do a lot of really cool things for the EKKO. So let me show you some of the things that I've got. I also have the shower mat and toilet lid set, which is nice. So once again, if you're looking to put things on your shower floor and you're slipping around, this is a really handy thing to have. I love this a lot. The next thing, which is super handy, is a screen clip. So this screen clip you put on your door, and it holds the screen door and your other door together. So when you're opening them together, you don't have to worry about opening the screen door first and then opening up the other door. It's just super, super handy. Now, two other products from this same company. They're doing a lot of really cool things for the EKKO. They have an RV fire extinguisher mount, which works really great on your molly boards. I put mine in the back. I'm going to have an extra fire extinguisher with me. You can never have too many. And they also have an EKKO carpet holder, which is a very easy thing to install. So you just screw it into the little track that you have in the back garage, and voila, there you go. Another really fun accessory that I got, which I really like because I'm outside a lot and I like to cook and eat outside, is my tire table. Now I got my tire table at the Overland Expo in Colorado, and I've been using this thing all the time, whether I'm cooking meals, whether I'm staying outside and working. If you guys don't know what this is, take a look at this and let me know, because I think these are great. They come in different sizes, small, medium, and large. I got mine, I have the large one, and it comes in a bag. You put it in a bag so it stays really nice and clean. So take a look. See if this is something that you might be interested in, because I'm all about the tables and I'm all about the chairs. So this year I got some really awesome Dometic chairs. These things are killer. They're super light, they're aluminum, they're very, very comfortable. They're a little on the big side, but at the end of the day, when you're ready to sit down, you want to sit down in comfort. All right, let's talk about some of the things that are inside that's been bugging me that I got changed. The lighting was driving me crazy. It didn't have any dimmable switches or anything like that, so redid all the lighting on the inside. Huge, huge, huge help. So I'll leave you a link. It's an Amazon light that I got installed. Super easy install. Anyone can do it. I love these things. But you can dim them. You can make them brighter. You can turn them blue. Just a really easy thing. And I think pretty much all the EKKOs should come with this stock as far as I'm concerned. All right, the big mod that made a huge difference in my world is the brand new VanWife Components amazing aluminum powder coated cabinets. I'm not gonna lie, guys, these are a game changer. This is one of those things where I'm like, one of my biggest complaints was there was just not enough storage. Not enough storage on the interior of the Winnebago EKKO. They're super light, they're bigger than what was currently in place, and we put one above the door and two at the base of the beds in the bedroom. So not only am I getting 3 extra cabinets, but the ones that I had in existence got bigger, including the ones with the microwave and the cabinet beside the microwave. It's just a game changer. They come in, I got the green, navy, champagne, which is like a light tan, and then a gray. So take a look at this. If this is something that you're interested in, I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can take a look at this and go get them, because Even if you just get one, it's worth it. Oh, and don't forget, there's a cabinet that goes between the two beds. If you don't put the beds together, it's like a nice big drawer. Really handy. Once again, who doesn't need more storage? So I'm a big fan of magnets. So I found a company called Sylvie that actually does amazing dishes and glasses and all sorts of cool things like that. And I bought 2 wine glasses, I bought 2 rocks glasses, I bought a whole dish set. It's really, really neat. And this has been really handy because number 1, I'm a little clumsy. Number 2, these are great, amazing, when it comes to like dinnerware. They don't move when you're driving because they're magnetic. It comes with these really cool like nano metallic pads that you can move just like a Post-it note. You can put them on this, put them on that, take them on and off. You can just rinse them off. They don't leave a sticky residue. I really, really like these a lot. Got them at the Tampa RV show. Been playing with them for a while and I just can't say enough great things about them. So I love, love, love Sylvie. They're made in Germany. They're really cool, and they come in different colors. Some come in porcelain, some come in plastic. Just lots of cool stuff. Take a look at that. Speaking of magnets, though, I also got a knife holder that I put inside my VanWife cabinet in my kitchen so I could hold on my knives really easy. And, I want to make it safe so when I'm driving, they're all very secure and it doesn't rattle. Love that. All right, let's talk about what's going on in the bedroom. Hello. So I have a projector that I love that I can project to my ceiling. However, it's time for a screen. It's time to like go up a notch and have something really nice. Since I have those cabinets now from VanWife Components at the foot of the bed, I thought this will be a really nice area and I can project the projector onto that. Also, I can take it outside and use it there too. It was time. Really cool. So I'm using that. Also got a keeper drawer that goes underneath the cabinets. I can put like my phone and things like that. Keep some other things just out of the way. Trying to keep all the cords away from the bed and out of my way. So that's been a really nice thing. Keeping that bedroom area nice and open and easy for Rosie and I just to relax and have a great, evening, or if we want to it's raining and stay in bed longer. That's what it's all about. Some other changes on the exterior is I got a brand new Fiamma awning. It's time. The Carefree had to go. It was not the Carefree thing that I thought it would be. So I have a manual awning on the exterior. It's fantastic. So I highly recommend if you're looking for something that's manual. It works every time. So I love this. I can keep it out in the wind, use it for shade, whatever I want to do, and put it back whenever I want to too. So Fiamma awning, totally worth it. Freedom Van Gogh did the install. Great job, guys. I've learned a lot in this past year and a half. I've been going to lots of different EKKO meetups and other things and watching what other people are modding on their rig. It's very personal. So based upon your use case are the things that you're going to look at and fit to your personal needs. So I go to all the Overland expos, all the adventure vehicle expos, all these different things all over the country, and I look at the products and I say, okay, will this meet my need? Is there a real desired use case for this? And then I'll test it out and I'll let you know. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe and that bell to get notified. I'm going to put out new videos every single week on lots of cool topics on van life, overlanding, and of course the Winnebago EKKO. So if you have any questions or you'd like to be a part of our adventure crew, do me a favor, type adventure in the comments. We'll send you a link to our behind the scenes group. We get to do all sorts of really cool meetups all over the country. We love for you to be there too. Safe travels and happy trails.